And this is what she's selling. Expired products. Look at this. Oh, here they are. You just take them out. Don't touch it. If you put your hands on me.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. Now let's watch this video of this Asian lady in Jamaica who says rotten and expired products to Jamaicans, but she's very rude to apologize, and she even calls for security for the customers that are complaining. Thank you so much. See you after the video. Thank you.
This commotion, this woman right here that is telling me to go to hell is selling expired product. Expired product. Expired product. Expired product. This woman is selling expired product. Expired product. I see it, and this is what she's selling. Expired product. Look at this. Oh, here they are. You just take them out. Don't touch it. If you put your hands on me, I will charge. I will press. Don't touch me.
Excuse me, get out of my shop.
If you put your hands on me, I will
get
press
out of my shop.
If you put your hands on me, I will press charges. I will press charges. You people are selling expired milk.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. Now we all know that in business so many things happen, and it is good as a business person, as a businessman or woman, to be checking the products expiry dates and all that, to make sure that all these things that we sell to the good people of our countries or to our customers are in good condition. Now this is a video that I'm sharing with you of this Asian lady, Chinese lady, who sells expiry goods to her customers. And now the most surprising part, the most furious, whatever gets so many people upset with this incident, is that she's so unapologetic to the customer. You know, after realizing that the product or the goods that you've been selling to your customers are not in the perfect condition, what do? Now you have to talk to them and use that friendly language and maybe make apologies, because people struggle so much to get the money they spend on their daily basis, the money they have to go around buying goods and buying food products and buying all these things to make sure they survive or they have a living. Now it is not good when you sell things that will go and harm someone's health, and for this reason it is good to be checking the goods in our stores to make sure they are in the perfect condition before, or maybe putting the price tags on them or for the customers to purchase. Now it is not about race or about she comes from, or do you know we have these Jamaicans who are Chinese people. Now we have whites who are Chinese people. I mean, there are whites who are Jamaican people. So it is good to be apologetic when these incidences happen in your store. Now it is not good to come out and rant with a customer who is very furious and upset. Of course, even if it was me, I've spent my $10 buying something, or my $15 buying something, then it turns out that the product that I have purchased, it's not in the perfect condition for me to use, or whenever I'm gonna use it, it will harm me in one way or the other. Of course, I'll have to rant, I'll have to make noise so that maybe my money can be refunded, or I can be given another one. It can be exchanged. Now this is not the best the woman did, the Chinese woman did, because it is so bad to see her selling expired products, but very rude on how she handles the customers. It is so good to be using that cautious language, that friendly language, business friendly language, while operating shops or operating these food stores and any other. Okay, we all know that humanity serves the bigger part in the lives we live, and it is very good when we address our fellow human beings or fellow brothers and sisters with utmost respect. And to be honest, I was disgusted with how she handled the whole thing, and the way, her being the owner of the store, she still got the guts to shout and rant and tries to get this lady out of the place. Now, we know sometimes Jamaicans are very aggressive when someone goes around stepping on their line. But to be honest, in this case, I think the shopkeeper was on the bad side. She actually should have kept her cool, then talk to the customer well, and if at all it was good, she could have got an exchange of the same product or refunded her money, because it is so hard. People are struggling out here. People are struggling for ends to meet. Now, there is no money to waste. Another thing, how about if she could have not checked the expiry date? She could have consumed something that could harm her health or her children's health or the family's health. So sometimes it's so good that the government, under the Health Act, should actually be checking the goods being delivered to the public, like the goods being sold to the public. Sometimes these people go after money, so they can do anything. They can sell expired products, they can sell outdated products, they can sell products that are not even good to our health. Because we have little knowledge about them, we go around buying, thinking maybe we are saving or doing this or that. Now, it is in the best interest of the government to be safeguarding the people's health, because if the people are not in good shape, where do you expect to get the taxes? Nowhere. If the people are not in good health, a country's economy will eventually sink. And it is good when the government takes measures to make sure that the products being circulated in the public are in good shape and in good condition, so that the people who are consuming it, it's not the work of a customer to go around checking expiry dates. Of course, it should be this way. If any product is put on the display in a shop or in a store, it should be in a good condition, so that if I have to buy it and I'm so hungry I have to use it or consume it in one way or the other, it should not harm me. So it is so bad seeing these things happen in the watch of a government, in the watch of these shopkeepers, who are very ignorant, of course. And you can see how much she raises her voice, because she has been reprimanded and she has been cast for whatever she's doing. It is so bad to see some people trying maybe to take advantage. I actually know one thing. When you go to a wholesale to buy some 1, 2, 3 things for your store, you must check the expiry date, because you can't buy goods that are expired. So you must check the expiry date. This drives me to a point that so many people have not been buying in this shop. So many goods are out of date. They're outdated and expired and very harmful to our health, to the health of the Jamaicans who are going to buy it. So in this case, they know it, so that they do not want to go to get some losses. They still keep these products, they still keep these foodstuffs, so that when you come and buy them, they do not get the loss. It is so bad. This actually should come to an end. Anyone watching this video should share it, so that it should be known where this store, this shop is located, so that people might be so careful with this kind of things happening in the public domain, in the public eye in Jamaica. So the government should actually take actions to these people who are selling expired products to the people. The government should actually come after them, check the goods, It is the licenses they are being given, they are being taxed. So the government, before taxing anyone, any businessman or woman, they should check the value or the condition of the goods being sold to the public. You should not kill the people in the public because of making money. It is so bad. It is so bad. I rebuke this act. I rebuke it. And anyone who is watching this video, please help me rebuke this. It is so bad. We won't allow Jamaicans to consume bad and rotten goods just because some 1, 2, 3 people want to get profit. It's so bad. Let's spread love. Let's spread humanity. It is not good to see these things happening. They may happen in business, but how do you go about them? How do you talk to your customers after they have happened? How? That's the big question. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. One love.